Gave me like no fries. I might have to get some extra fries. Eating carbonara samyang noodles and tteokbokki and watching Shameless. I'm on season 5 episode 7 right now. You already know we got our lettuce too. Almost forgot my cucumber. Cheers. I hate that Kev and Veronica are having problems right now, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of on Kev's side. I'm so irritated Fiona got married, dude. Jimmy's bitch ass is back too. I am so mad. Also, I had a realization about the show the other night. So I was watching, and obviously at the end of season 4, if you watched Shameless, Jeffrey Dean Morgan from fucking Supernatural was on there. And then it just switched to this fucking other guy, which I can't remember what I've seen him from, but he's from a show that I've watched recently. I can't think of it right now. I have to like go Google it. Maybe I'll update you guys and let you know once I realize what it is. But also, look how beautiful this is. Can we just appreciate it? Anyways, but he's not on the show anymore. So I went Googling, and I guess it's like a different character they made, but they gave him like a lot of the same plots. I don't know. I was so confused though, and I'm just so upset. I guess it was like scheduling conflicts, but that just sucks because he looks so good. He would have been so much better for the role.
Buldak recipe. It gets better and better. I didn't do egg this time. I switched it up. We've got dumplings. We've got mini hot dogs. What? Who doesn't like a mini hot dog? I did cream. I did gochujang. I'm really liking the gochujang. Obviously green onions. And then I just did like a little bit of cheese because I didn't have much left. And I did cream. So this one's going to be creamier. Oh my god. If you are affected by the Buldak carbonara shortage, I feel for you, man. Like, I feel so sorry for you. Okay. Hot dogs with the sauce, delicious, so good. But I think dumplings and soft-boiled egg have to be a staple. Like, those were my favorite. It's like perfectly saucy. Oh my god, it is so good. And I find if you don't like things too spicy, you like them just a little spicy, the carbonara is the one you want to go for. It's really not too spicy, and I put the whole packet in. I'm like, I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm not dying. I'm not really tasting the sesame oil. Maybe I didn't put enough, but I thought it would give like a little bit of a nuttiness, but all I'm tasting is kind of the pepperiness from the gochujang. So good. Oh yeah. Ooh, the hot dogs are a little weird. I don't know. I don't think I like the hot dogs with this, but the dumplings, no, the dumplings hit every freaking time.